So I'm going to compare to buy some ingredients for the tonkatsu, but I'm running out of charge on my battery, on my iPhone, so I'm gonna skip this part. I'll see you back in the kitchen. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm back at the house, so I got the ingredients for tonkatsu. And we're gonna first, before cooking the pork, we're gonna make the tonkatsu sauce. It has its own sauce in a bottle, but we don't have any Japanese stores here in Chelsea, so we're gonna make the tonkatsu sauce. It's pretty easy. Okay, so we're gonna make it. So here's the tonkatsu sauce recipe ingredients. This is the soy sauce. We're not gonna use this. We're gonna use the real Japanese soy sauce with, I think, lemon. This is the Kikuman ponzu. It's pretty good. And we're gonna use mustard. Regular mustard, any mustard. Then the Worcestershire sauce. Sorry. Yeah, this is a cute one, the small one. I bought the small one because I don't really use this all the time. So we're just gonna use this for the tonkatsu sauce ingredient. Alright guys, and this is the pork that I bought. So this is the best pork for the tonkatsu. Woo. Anyway, this is the chuletas, they're called. But it's pork chops, but it's boneless. So we're gonna put this aside and I'm gonna make the tonkatsu dipping sauce. So we're gonna use the wait a minute, I forgot the ketchup. So we're gonna use the ketchup. I think you can use how many, probably a cup of ketchup. Depends how much you want, a cup. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, but I'm gonna put a little, not a lot, because it's not a lot of and Worcester sauce, probably one tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Yeah. Okay. So I haven't opened this. Sorry, should have opened it a while ago. Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Then we're gonna use this soy sauce. Make a little, but you can use the regular soy sauce. But I'm gonna use this Japanese special soy sauce, citrus, seasoned dressing, and sauce. You can use this. This is what they use for the Japanese salad. Those. It's like a brown, dark dressing for their salad when you go to the Japanese restaurants. This is what they serve. The ponzu by Kikuman. Alright, probably how many tablespoon? Probably 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Not a lot, but a little more. Probably 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Then you can probably the Worcester sauce. Yeah, probably the Worcester sauce a little. 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon. I'm gonna put a little more. So 1.5 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, half a cup of ketchup, or 1 cup of ketchup, then 2 tablespoons of Kikuman ponzu, plus the mustard. They have a Japanese mustard, but we're gonna use this. I don't have the Japanese mustard. I can't find it in Chelsea. So we're gonna use the regular mustard. Probably there you go. Probably, I don't know, probably 2 tablespoons of mustard. Yeah, this is the Tonkatsu sauce. Let me taste it. It's not bad. Tastes good. Alright guys, let's start. So we're gonna make the tonkatsu now. I have the pork. I season it with salt and pepper, and wash it first. So this is the pork cutlet, very thin slice. And so we're gonna dip it in the flour, and so we're gonna dip this multiple times. Carry this over there and fry it. Right, let's go, man. Whoop. So I got the frying pan, the pan with oil already. 330 degrees. Let's see. Butter. Wish me luck. Yeah. So we're gonna coat it with one by one, so we don't have to make a mess. But this is how it looks like when you fry it. Yeah, I mix oil, vegetable oil with a little butter. Let's see. Oh no, I forgot the oops, I forgot the breadcrumbs. Alright, I screw on this one. I screw up with this one. But let's see. I'm gonna do the other one while this fry, okay? So I made a mistake on the first one. Forgot the crumbs, the breadcrumbs. So we're gonna do it again. Mix it with flour. Breadcrumbs. Mix it with breadcrumbs. I think it's good. Oh no, it's not good. So guys, I finished frying the tonkatsu. This is how it looks like. So I didn't use the Japanese breadcrumbs because I don't have it here. So this is how it looks like. So we're gonna make some Japanese salad. I'm using romaine instead of shredded lettuce or cabbage. We're gonna use we're gonna use this as a toppings, or I'm gonna slice the romaine lettuce. We have hearts of romaine also. You can use this, whatever you want, what kind of vegetables you want. So I'm gonna slice this. So we're gonna use the Japanese soy sauce that I showed you a while ago. It's my style. So I'm gonna cut this like long strips. There. See? This one. Yeah, this is the Japanese seasoning. Japanese salad seasoning. So I'm gonna put a little. A lot. And Japanese salad. Homemade. Right? So Filipino fried rice is pretty good. Just crush some garlic. Yeah. Garlic. That's it. And salt and pepper. And fry them. Fry them. Then put the garlic. see the garlic now is golden brown. You can put the rice. Japanese like fried rice too. They have got their own Japanese fried rice. Let's put onion powder, a little, and salt and pepper. Let's put this kind of garlic powder and just a little. If you're wondering where's Christine, she's over there. Look, watching a movie. So I'm gonna cut this tonkatsu into small pieces. Yeah, there. You know, make it more presentable than the tonkatsu homemade sauce. Remember we made this before we fried the tonkatsu. Right. Sunday dinner. Japanese Japanese salad with tonkatsu and Japanese tonkatsu with homemade sauce and Filipino fried rice. Right? Looks good, guys. Alright guys, this is it. Dagat na lang kulang. Bon appetit. Bye. See you later, alligators.